It's Friday, April 4th. Huge milestone today. Concrete work is complete for the house. Slab is finished. Let's go up and take a look, see what we have. Okay. They've already finished with the power trowel. That portion of it's complete. Garage floor drain. Pitched to 12 feet around it. Nice job. Inch-and-a-half pan for the shower in the master bath. Looks good. All the tubing for the in-floor heat. Gas bath. Kitchen island. Utility room and kitchen. I sure hope we didn't forget anything. Huge step to get this far. Show on here. Huge step to get this far. Move into construction as soon as possible. Have to talk to Dan Wellnitz in the next few days and see what his schedule looks like. Trusses are on order, lumber's on order. We'll keep it moving. See what it looks like tomorrow. Have a great day. Appreciate all the likes and interest in the videos and the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.